you'll see behind me, I'm not sure off which shoulder, this shoulder? If you live in the Gulf South like we do, and specifically in Mobile, Alabama, you may be driving around and seeing all the beautiful plants and trees that are blooming right now. A little early for the season, honestly, but we've had a really warm winter, and you'll see behind me, I'm not sure off which shoulder, this shoulder? It's a Taiwan Flowering Cherry tree. A lot of people mistake these for a redbud tree, but they are very different trees. So if you see this one, know it's a Taiwan Flowering Cherry, which has a more upright habit, and also it doesn't have the zigzag branches that a redbud would have. It's a little confusing since none of them have leaves right now, but that's what this plant is. I just wanted to identify it for you guys so that when you're driving around the streets of Mobile and you see all of them blooming so beautifully, you'll know exactly what the plant is, and you can share it with the people who think it's a redbud. You can tell them the honest truth.